Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete a note on Substack. To delete a note on Substack, follow these detailed steps. The first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Substack website, then enter your email address and password to log into your account. In the left-hand main navigation menu, look for the inbox option and just go ahead and click on it. So here you have chat and you have inbox. Now click on inbox. That takes you here. Now within the inbox, navigate to the note section. That's what you have reading as a note so far. This is just stuff for you to read. Okay, so just head over to the note section where your saved notes are listed. So these are my notes. This is my saved notes. My commander is set from ACLT, so that's it. Now browse through your notes you can find the specific note you want to delete. Paid saved media archived, you can just browse through by clicking on search Substack. Now click on the note to open it. Same, this is a note and I want to open this note. So once the note is open, look for the option or settings related to the note. Now this is typically represented by the three dots, which is here in the top right corner of the note. Now click on that and I have a couple of options here, which include copy link, save, embed, archive, view publication, edit post, and report. Now you see that you don't have a direct option that allows you to delete it except from archiving, but there's a step that you can take to actually delete this note. You have to click on edit post and that's going to take you to the post editor. In the post editor, you're going to find the settings menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on settings and you have a couple of more options in here. Now scroll all the way down to where you have danger zone. Now this is the danger zone. You have unpublished and you have delete. Now click on delete post. You click on delete post to permanently remove the note. Now once the post has been deleted, you should no longer see it in your note section, or you should no longer see it in your post section. You can refresh the page if necessary to ensure the note has been successfully removed. Now, by following these detailed steps, you can effectively delete a note on Substack whenever needed. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.